A variety of assembly methods are available to design and manufacturing engineers, ranging from mechanical methods, such as fasteners, to tapes, welding, and adhesives. This video will demonstrate one of the key benefits of adhesives over traditional fasteners. Shown are 3 polycarbonate lap shears. On the bottom, the 2 pieces of polycarbonate are joined with 1 stainless steel bolt. On the top, the 2 pieces of polycarbonate have been joined using a LOCTITE light cure adhesive, cured for less than 5 seconds using a LOCTITE LED curing system. As a shear load is put on this assembly, you will see that on the top, the adhesive stresses out evenly and causes less flexing of the joint. On the bottom, the bolt concentrates the stress, and so you can see a great deal of flexing and eventually failure of the polycarbonate. This is how adhesives offer the unique benefit of even stress distribution over traditional fasteners, which translates to better aesthetics, reduced weight and complexity, and improved reliability.